In this video, you will learn how to install projector headlights on a 2003 to 2005 Nissan 350Z. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Remove 10 10mm bolts on the bottom of the front bumper. Pulling the fender liner aside will reveal two Phillips head screws. Let's remove them now. Now let's remove a third Phillips head screw shown here. Remove 6 plastic clips. Now we are ready to take off the front bumper. Remove the 4 10mm bolts securing the headlight to the chassis. Now remove the headlight and unplug the headlight harness. Plug the headlight harness in your new projector headlight and place it in the stock location. Replace all the hardware that was removed earlier in reverse order. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.